So let's jump and start with the topic today. So we are learning one of our previous videos about array. So today we will continue that array. First of all, I will remind you something. What is 1D array? Let's create a 1D array. First of all, to use array, we need to import numpy, and you can set any number or variable. So NP and whatever you want there. In this case, I am saving with numpy. So let's write that function in a variable for the short NP or array, and these are the arrays we want to make from the array. Now, first of all, we will print and see that we have to run it, and we can see that we have our this is 1D array. Okay. So now print run it and see it that what is print. So you can see shape is four columns. It's defining the it is four columns. Okay, shape is showing four columns. So what is in index is zero. Okay, let's see it will definitely print zero. So you can see if we change for suppose we write there 9, then it will definitely print at 0 index 9. So let's okay, I have created another to how to change 0 index. Let's suppose you want to change 0. Okay, now you will set it 12. Now you will print and it will definitely print uh, 12. Okay, now this is become 12. So now let's move forward to the array. Let's comment it out. Okay. So for this, we are creating the system using import 90 as NB, and now we will create a is equal to NB for array bracket amount 1 2 for 2D array 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now comma, now we will open another square bracket, and now 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, so here I have mistaken the formatted this. So now we will print A and see that what is it printing. So you can see that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the format of 2D array. This is 2D array. Now we will print for shape. Okay. Now we will run and see that what are the shape. So you can see that this is 2D and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. If we add one more here, then it will definitely print 3. Maybe I am wrong. Please correct me in the comment section. So now you have some basic knowledge about 1D and 2D array. Let's play with 2D array. this is. So let's run it, and I will tell you that what is happening and how it is printing. So for this, I need to do some. Okay, I have lost my line. Okay, that is. So what is in zero? That is zero, and this is one. This is zero, and this is one. So what is zero in zero in zero? So that is zero. Yes, you can see here. This is zero. So what is A array? Zero. This means this is, we are talking about this one index. Zero one. This is one. So you can see that we can put one. So let's suppose A, what is zero? Two. You here which will be print two. So let's print one of the one. Let's suppose we will do here one, and in one it's three. Zero, one, two, three. This will print. Let's see, the last element will be 7. So this is the concept of 2D array. So I hope you are some familiar with the 1D and 2D array. Video is becoming too big and long, so we will continue in the next video about arrays. So please take care of yourself and your loved ones, until take care.